Hello and welcome to my video all about how to sew a mock flat-felled seam on a sewing machine. Flat-felled seams are a sturdy and durable type of seam, however they are quite time-consuming to make and are not suitable for heavyweight fabrics. So if you want the look of a flat-felled seam on a thicker fabric, or you just want to make a faster, less bulky version, then this is the method you should use. Okay, so first place the fabrics right sides together. Then pin them in place. Then sew these fabric pieces together using a straight stitch, remembering to backstitch at the beginning and end. For this example, I used a seam allowance of 1/2 inch. Next, you need to protect the raw edges from fraying. So to do this, you can zigzag stitch over the edge like I've done. You can use a serger if you have one, or you could even use pinking shears. Just make sure you cut off as little fabric as you can. Then open out the fabric and use your iron to press the seam allowance to one side. Like so. Your seam should now look something like this. Turn the fabric over so the right side is facing you, and then sew just inside the seam, a very short distance in from the fold. Again, use a straight stitch and backstitch at the beginning and end. Because we're stitching on the front of the fabric, this is called top stitching, and you'll need to try and be especially neat. Then sew a line parallel to this one so it catches the seam allowance underneath. Note that if you have a twin needle, you could use that instead to sew these two lines at the same time. The sewn lines are 1/2 inch apart in this example. And that's it. After a final press, your seam is complete. As you can see, the front looks like a flat-felled seam, whereas the back has 4 lines of stitching. So unlike a true flat-felled seam, this seam is not so neat on the back. But it does consist of only 3 layers of fabric rather than 4, so it is less bulky. And that's it, that's how you sew a mock flat-felled seam. I really hope you found that useful, and thank you very much for watching.